Good morning, guys. This is the last few bits of this build, design, whatever. That's the bone from inside the body. That's the loudspeaker. And then two bottom ends and one top end, because one of the bottom ends has that bit and the bone sticking up the middle, and then the other one is just a normal Among Us. So need to tidy them up. Well, I'm in a dilemma at the moment with this latest print of the Among Us figures. I don't know whether I ought to go ahead and glue them together or leave them for my grandsons to glue together. I've glued the little megaphone together, but if they want to do any painting or anything, then they'll be easier to paint separately. I'm also not sure whether to... I've only printed one head and two bottom ends, because I was working on the assumption that you had one complete one and then the other one was one that had been killed, so you could see his insides. And that little ring there is to lock the top end and the bottom end together. So I'm just not sure. And I'm not sure whether to print another bottom end and a bone and a... I think that's labelled as the guts, that bit in the middle. This is all for Christmas stuff. I think it might be better to leave it at that stage, so they can have a go themselves, and if they want more done, then I'll have to print some more. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.